Stop scrolling right now. If you're a pensioner in the UK, what I'm about to tell you could affect your money before Christmas, and if you don't act fast, you could face delays, missed payments, or even serious problems with your pension. There are 7 new DWP banking rules coming into effect before the 30th of December, and most pensioners don't even know about them yet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check, what to fix, and how to make sure your money is safe and arrives on time, so make sure you watch every single second. Missing just one rule could cost you hundreds of pounds this festive season. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because this channel is the only place where I upload the latest, most important updates about pensions, benefits, and DWP changes that you won't hear anywhere else. I upload videos like this regularly, including this exact topic, so by subscribing, you'll never miss out on crucial information that could protect your money and make your life easier. Trust me, subscribing now is the smartest move you can make if you want to stay fully informed and ahead of the changes. If you are a pensioner in the UK, you really need to pay close attention right now because there are 7 important new banking rules from the DWP that could affect the way you receive your state pension and other benefits. And all of these need to be checked before the 30th of December. Otherwise, you could face delays, mistakes, or even issues with your payments. First, it is absolutely crucial to make sure that the DWP has your correct bank account details because if your sort code or account number is outdated or incorrect, your payments could be delayed. And with the Christmas and New Year holidays approaching, the last thing anyone wants is to miss out on their pension when bills and expenses are due. So the first step is to log into your personal DWP account or contact them directly by phone to confirm that all of your banking information is up to date, accurate, and matches exactly what your bank holds, because even a small mistake can cause a big problem. The second rule to be aware of is the change in payment dates around the festive period. Because Christmas Day, Boxing Day, and New Year's Day are bank holidays, many pension payments will be made earlier than usual, which means instead of receiving your money on your usual date, payments might arrive a day or two earlier, sometimes even on the 23rd or 24th of December, and again at the end of the year around the 31st of December instead of the 1st of January. So it is important to plan your spending and make sure you know exactly when the money will arrive, especially if you have standing orders or direct debits that could be affected by this shift. The third new rule involves fraud prevention and verification checks that the DWP and banks are now taking more seriously. This means that banks are required to verify certain accounts receiving DWP benefits to ensure that the correct person is receiving payments, and they may share limited information with the DWP to confirm eligibility. So if your income, savings, or personal circumstances have changed recently, it is essential that this information has been reported accurately, because any discrepancies can trigger checks and possibly delays, and the DWP now has more powers to recover overpaid benefits if errors are found. The fourth point is about scams, which have become increasingly common around pension payments, particularly in December when fraudsters know pensioners are expecting money. You must be extremely cautious because the DWP will never ask for your bank details by email or text, and any unsolicited calls or messages claiming to be from the DWP should be treated with suspicion. So it is wise to double-check by contacting the DWP directly if you are unsure about any communication, and never click on links or provide your account information to anyone who contacts you unexpectedly. The fifth new rule relates to dormant or inactive accounts. If your bank account hasn't been used in a long time, the bank may consider it dormant, and this could interfere with automatic DWP payments, potentially causing them to bounce or be temporarily held. So it is recommended that you use your account regularly or notify your bank if you plan to receive large payments to an account that has not been active, to ensure that the funds arrive safely and on time. The sixth rule involves identity verification, which is now being enforced more strictly by banks and the DWP. If you change your bank account, move house, or even update your details, you may be asked to provide proof of identity, such as a passport, driving license, or utility bill to confirm that the account belongs to you and that you are the rightful recipient of your pension. So it is best to have these documents ready well in advance, particularly before the end of December, to avoid any delays or complications in your payments. The seventh and final rule concerns switching banks or accounts. If you are considering moving your money to a different bank or setting up a new account, it is very important to notify the DWP as early as possible, because switching during the busy festive period can be complicated, and if the DWP is not aware of the change in time, your payment could be delayed, which could cause unnecessary stress when bills and expenses are due. So plan ahead and make any changes well before the 30th of December to ensure everything runs smoothly. Beyond these 7 rules, there are a few extra things pensioners should keep in mind. Winter fuel payments, which many pensioners receive automatically, will be included in this period. So ensuring your account is active and details are correct is essential. And adjusting for bank holidays and early payment schedules will help you manage your cash flow over the holidays. And being alert to potential scams will protect you from losing money, as fraudsters often use the festive period to target vulnerable individuals. It is also worth noting that the DWP now has enhanced eligibility verification powers, which means that they can cross-check certain information to make sure that people are claiming the correct amount of benefits, but they will not access full transaction histories. So there is no need to be alarmed. Only make sure that your own records are correct and up to date. In summary, pensioners should take immediate action to double-check all bank details with the DWP, understand the revised payment dates around Christmas and New Year, be alert for scams, make sure accounts are active, have identification documents ready for verification, plan bank account changes carefully, and monitor communications from the DWP for any requests or updates, because by following these steps, you can avoid delays, prevent mistakes, and ensure that your pension and benefits are received safely and on time during this critical period. Doing all of this before the 30th of December will give you peace of mind, protect your finances, and make sure that the festive season is as stress-free as possible when it comes to your money. And by staying informed and proactive, you will be in full control of your pension payments, avoid unnecessary issues, and be prepared for any checks or changes that the DWP and banks have put in place, because this is a busy time of year, and preparation is the key to ensuring everything goes smoothly without complications, delays, or unwanted surprises. Stop scrolling right now. If you're a pensioner in the UK, what I'm about to tell you could affect your money before Christmas, and if you don't act fast, you could face delays, missed payments, or even serious problems with your pension. There are 7 new DWP banking rules coming into effect before the 30th of December, and most pensioners don't even know about them yet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check, what to fix, and how to make sure your money is safe and arrives on time, so make sure you watch every single second. Missing just one rule could cost you hundreds of pounds this festive season. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this channel is the only place where I upload the latest, most important updates about pensions, benefits, and DWP changes that you won't hear anywhere else. I upload videos like this regularly, including this exact topic, so by subscribing, you'll never miss out on crucial information that could protect your money and make your life easier. Trust me, subscribing now is the smartest move you can make if you want to stay fully informed and ahead of the changes.